everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are diving into the topic analytics and reports. So grab a seat and hit the like button and let's get started. So in Bitrix24 we add a feature, a wide variety of CRM analytic tool to help you make informed decision in every department: sales, marketing, customer services and more. So you can click on the analytics option, and after clicking on the analytics you will get the BI builder, and you can find out the or either you can go to the real-time analytics. You can click on the sales funnel. So sales funnel, Bitrix24 CRM analytics software provide a wealth of actionable data and valuable insight to help you determine bottleneck and identify your weak points to improve efficiency. So you can see it also provide the sales funnel with conversions rate. As you can see, all the employees name are showing here, and the number of leads, the number of deals, how many leads and deals are assigned to them, how many deals they have lost, what are the total of the deal amount, and what is the conversion rate. So all the data would be in front of you. You can see the data on the basis of lead also. Like if you click on the lead analysis and click on the all option, so here the data would be come in front of you regarding the lead part. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.